Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A34. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter lock screen, screen lock type, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of screen locks and 2 biometrics. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone. Let's start with the top of the list, where we can enable PIN. To create PIN, enter at least 4 digits. And now let's use it to unlock the phone. Next, let's select password, and to create password, enter at least 4 characters. Again, use it to unlock the phone. Now let's select 2 non-security passwords. The first is swipe, and the second one is simply none. In the end, let's select pattern. To create pattern, connect at least 4 dots. When it's done, we can go to first biometric, which is fingerprints. Continue, register, and now simply scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the bottom of the screen. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done, and now use it to unlock the phone. In the end, let's select face unlock, and now simply scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's basically it for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.